Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is Thanksgiving special. Every Thanksgiving calls for an amazing bread recipe. So here we are bringing the amazing Choco Walnut Banana Bread recipe. Let's get started. For making the batter, first we will take 2 overripe bananas and mash them just like this. Make sure to mash your bananas properly. Till I am mashing the bananas, please go and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now we will add 1/4 cup of powdered white sugar into the mix. And then we will add 1/4 cup of brown sugar as well. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use half cup of powdered white sugar as well. Mix them really well, just like this. Now we will add half cup of melted butter to the mix. Make sure to melt your butter a little beforehand and let it cool a little bit. Now we will mix the butter thoroughly so as to get the batter just like this. Once our butter is completely mixed, we will add few drops of vanilla essence. And now our wet ingredients are ready. It's time to add our dry ingredients one by one. We will start by adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And guys, if you are health conscious, you can replace it with wheat flour. But if you want to celebrate Thanksgiving as a cheat day, you may use APF and then make awesome banana bread just like us. And even if you put on some kilos, don't worry guys, we have this keto playlist that will help you lose your weight after this festive season. Do check our I button for the same. To this, we will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, one-fourth teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is optional guys, it enhances the flavor of your bread, so if you want to add it, you may. And now it's time to mix them. Don't you think guys, baking is all about right ingredients and mixing them? Who all loves baking just like us? Comment below and let us know your favorite recipe. We may feature your favorite recipe on our channel. Now it's time to add half cup walnuts. At this point you can play with your recipe. If you want to add almonds, pecans, it's entirely your choice. We like choco walnuts, so we are adding them. And now it's time to add my favorite choco chips. We have added half cup of choco chips, but you can add more than that. A little extra is always good. And now it's time to mix our batter one last time and then it will be ready to get baked. This looks so satisfying guys, I'm telling you. This by far is the best banana bread recipe that I have tried. And see, our batter is finally ready. Do check the consistency of your batter. It should be dense just like this. We are not looking for any flowy batter for our banana bread. Now we will take a cake tin and line it with parchment paper. We'll finally transfer our batter to the cake tin. Tap the cake tin to remove any extra air bubbles. And your banana bread is ready to get baked. We will bake it for 30 minutes at 160 degrees. As I always say in my baking recipes, know your oven. This temperature might vary as per your oven. So just be mindful of that. And finally, our choco walnut banana bread is ready guys. Enjoy this amazing recipe this Thanksgiving. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family. If you try this recipe, please tag us on our Insta handle @coders.cookbook. You can also watch our desserts playlist for this Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching guys and see you in next video.